In this question, it is given that the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 root 2 from the common tangent y equal to mx plus c from the curves this and this is, you have to find the correct choice. This concept all of you must be knowing that the line y equal to mx plus c touches the parabola y square equal to 4ax if c equal to a by m. And the more extended form of this formula is, suppose there is a parabola y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha, then equation of tangent of slope m to this parabola will be y minus beta is equal to m into x minus alpha plus a by m. Whatever the value of m, this line surely touches this parabola, as I told you just now that the line y equal to mx plus a by m always touches the parabola y square equal to 4ax, whatever is the value of m. These concepts I am going to use in this question because this line has slope m and this line is touching this parabola. And this parabola can be written as y square equal to 1 by 2x, that is the value of 4a is 1 by 2, that is a is 1 by 8. That is, I can say equation of tangent of slope m to this parabola will be y equal to mx plus a, that is 1 by 8 upon m. And the same line touches this parabola also. And this parabola can be written as y square equal to x minus 1, that is y square equal to 1 into x minus 1, that is the value of 4a in this case is 1, that is the value of a in this case is 1 by 4. Hence the equation of tangent of slope m to this parabola will be given by y equal to m into x minus 1 plus a by m. That is, this is the equation of tangent of slope m to this parabola and this is the equation of tangent of slope m to this parabola. And because I am dealing with the common tangent, means I will find the value of m so that both these equations become same. This is y equal to mx plus 1 by 4m minus m, and these two equations will be same if 1 by 8m is equal to 1 by 4m minus m, that is m equal to 1 by 8 m, that is m equal to plus minus 1 by 2 root 2, but m is greater than 0 given to you, hence I will say the value of m is 1 by 2 root 2. Now I can put this value of m here or here. In both the cases I am going to get the same answer because both are same lines. Therefore I put the value of m equal to 1 by 2 root 2 in this equation. I get y equal to 1 by 2 root 2 x plus 1 by 8 upon 1 by 2 root 2, that is y equal to 1 by 2 root 2 x plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is I get x minus 2 root 2 y plus 1 is the equation of common tangent. And after getting the equation of common tangent, we have to find the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 root 2. Hence the distance of the point 6 comma minus 2 root 2 from this common tangent, say it is L, equal to 6 minus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2 plus 1 mod upon under root 1 square plus minus 2 root 2 square, that is L equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. Hence I can say second choice is the correct choice.